medium bang?
Mise en place, Angelina Crawford, James Lady.
Kijk aan, daar is met water daar. Wil je die ook doen?
Yeah, we're getting dressed. Yeah, stay in the shade. Ana.
2 handen uit de vallen. Nou,
Niet likken, hè? Goed, ja, ja. Ja.
al even watermeloen. Hey.
Die eerste goed ook, hè? Watermeloen.
Ja, deed je goed, ja. Ja.
Intentie pech hier in niets.
Weer zo altijd tussen van en erin te gaan. Niet gewoon.
Jalan deh, jalan deh. Jalan deh, jalan deh.
The next day.
Hi guys! Welcome na naman po sa panibagong video. Ngayon ay Sunday dito. Ano na po ngayon? 4:30 na ng hapon and hinihintay ko na lang yung aking mag-ama. Kasi napunta po sila sa city, may parade doon. So, nag-enjoy po si Ana pero kakatawag lang ni Ruth. Pauwi na po sila kasi pagod na daw po. Doon kasi siya natulog kagabi sa lolo't lola. Tapos, diretso na. Punta sila sa city kanina ni Ruth. Kita nyo po sa beginning ng video na ito. Kahapon, Sabado, pumunta po kami ng family kasama yung lolo't lola ni Ana. Pumunta kami sa movie park sa Germany. First time po namin doon. Maganda siya na park. I can compare it to may similarity siya ng Universal Studios if you've been to Universal Studios. In 2013 yata yun. 2013, I went to Universal Studios in Singapore and then sa 2016, I was in Universal Studios in Japan. I remember yung feels niya, yung vibes niya, para siyang Universal Studios. So, if you've been to Movie Park Germany, let me know in the comment section below kung you think the same. Yun. Nag-enjoy naman si Ana guys, kaso I just think na siguro depende din kung saang part ka ng park na pumunta. Yung mga pinuntahan namin, hindi ganyan kadaming options na akma sa age ni Ana ba or suitable for Ana's age. So I would say na yung Toverland talaga yung pinaka nice na place or park so far na napuntahan namin for Ana's age kasi doon ko nakita na super grabe active si Ana sa paglalaro. Efteling is really nice. She really likes Efteling but most of the time nasa lang siya, stroller niya or nasa ni Ruth, nasa shoulders ni Ruth nakaupo. Yun. I think they're here. Siguro andito na sila. I'm sure may mga parks pa din kaming mapupuntahan na in the future for Ana. Gusto din namin po yung Europa Park doon sa Germany yung pinuntahan namin when we also went to France. If nakita niyo yung video natin dati. Super nice din po yun. Pero I think lang so far si Ana super nag-enjoy and super active lang talaga siya doon sa Toverland. So I told Ruth na we should go back to Toverland very soon kasi panaysa naman yung weather. So it's okay lang na nasa labas kami the whole time kasi hindi na siya masyadong mainit. Ana po is not a big fan sa init. Parehas kami. And nakita nyo din sa earlier part ng vlog na ito guys, in-insert ko po yung progress ng bahay. Sinend po yun sa amin ng contractor namin. Patapos na po yun mga siguro September. Tapos na siya by September hopefully. So excited po kami na matapos talaga yung project namin. Yeah, exciting. Dito na sila. Tulog yata si Ana.
Ciao.
Hello. Ana! Oy, oy! What heavy eye now? Oy, 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 oy! Huh? You're so pretty, love. Wait, what do you have?
There's some makeup.
Sus Ginoo. Makeup? Where did you get this? Is it new?
Yeah.
Hala, you put makeup on your face? Hala lang, not too much, huh? Be, open your makeup, be. Hala, guys, my makeup, be. Close your eyes, be. Show them your makeup. Look, so makeup na siya, guys. But not too much on your face, ha? A little bit. Uy, binilhan pala ng lolo kanina. Thank you. Say hi, Titas, be. Show Titas, be. Hi, Titas. Nee. Did you have fun with Papa?
Yeah.
Kanta apple, oh?
Dat de NC was boord. Hier, ja.
Yeah, it's not for her, bang. Especially when it's really crowded. Wala po sila ng pagkain, so kain na po muna kami. By the way, yung hikaw ko po, ano siya, binigay ni, ni Vanji, yung friend ko na Filipina ba na taga Insoven City. I don't have rice. May dala silang pagkain, guys, pero ng rice, naghanap ng rice. Kain po muna kami. And, was it nice, Wong?
Ja, het was pretty nice. Meer zitten, hè? Dat was boord. Dat was nice. Really big cast.
Okay, mooi. Sakit.
Next week is the parade the one that they installed. Next week Sunday.
Oh, then we can go. What parade? Not that one?
Then with flowers.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's nice.
How much for deze doen?
Kadesa. Kain. May Burger King po silang dala, oh.
A few moments later.
Hello ulit, guys. Magsi-7 na po dito and nasa bathtub si Ana. That smells really nice. I like that. Did Papa use this one? Ito po yung pang-bath ni Ana.
Papa heeft dat gedaan.
Yeah? Yeah?
Die heeft ze niet gedaan.
Yeah, I will just wash your hair, okay?
Ja, je make-up hem toch al gedaan?
Okay. Yeah, I will do it again. Sumana, oy! Baby! Are you a baby? Binago namin yung ano ni Ana.
Not a baby.
You're my baby. Binago namin yung ano ni Ana. Binago namin yung light sa kanyang room. So, ano na, iba't ibang colors na siya. Nag-iiba-iba. Yung aking dalaga, oh.
Mama, ik wil die laten doen.
Nee, but it's out for their eyes. So, nagiging red siya, naging yellow, purple, green,
And
white,
rose.
and pink. Also pink, no? What's your favorite one?
Pink.
Yeah, pink. Of course. Bisan ko po muna to. Si Ruth nga pala, pinick up ng friend niya. Ano daw sila. They will sit somewhere siguro sa terrace or bar or I don't know. Sige na, mag-ilis na ta so I can dry your hair. Sige na, and guys, yun na lang yung ating update, no? Yung update namin sa weekend ganap.
Mama, ik heb honger.
Naunsa sa dala na hungry na sa daw siya. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Wait, saka I will say goodbye to them. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. And kita-kita naman tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Doy, mush, babush. Sama, hi. Bye, titas. Before kami mag-completely say goodbye, I'd like to shout out si Ray Angeles ba yun? Yung nagko-comment siya sa ating nire-reply ko naman. Ana, I can show you because you have no shirt on. So, hello nga po pala kay Ray Angeles. Nandito din siya sa Netherlands. Kaka-move lang niya dito. And kay Melrose, nag-comment siya dun sa aking Facebook page. Maraming salamat. And yeah, thank you sa support sa aming channel and sa panonood sa amin. Kita-kita naman po tayo sa susunod na video. Doy, mush, babu. Say bye, titas!